So with this one, we have Blaziken and Torchic. This is the one that has the terrible sealed blister pack thing. So let's get into it. Okay, we've got another coin. I actually want to see, are they different? No, they're both exactly the same coin, but that's all right. Let's put that over there. So Torchic, and then it's Combuskin. And then it's a Cosmo Hollow Blaziken. So that looks pretty cool. And then we have one pack of Phantasmal Flames. Did I say Mega Evolutions? Well, I mean, technically it is Mega Evolution, but I kept calling the other one Mega Evolution. So this one's Mega Evolution. So Phantasmal Flames. Let's have a look. So code card. And cool. So energy, Bronzor, Trapinch, Croc. Ooh, Jigglypuff. Cute. Bronzong. Okay. Ooh, Tauros. I actually don't have a lot of Tauros, so and this is the Paldean Tauros, so that's I needed one of those. Ooh, okay, Charmeleon. Okay, and okay, I don't have one of these anyway, so that's all right.